guys, this is JP Zombies and Rain Dark Sky playing Depth. And we're playing as a shark.
Depth of what?
Just depth of water. Depth of perception. Depth of the holes in the ground. Depth of potholes. Nobody likes potholes. Oh, by the way, where's my controller? I can do controller now.
Wrong one.
Oh, we're using this one now. Okay.
Because your gamepad thing don't work.
My gamepad does work. This one's not working.
VRB thing. Well, then you didn't set it up right.
Oh, crap. I want to be a hammerhead shark, my favorite shark. An awesome shark. I got all of this stuff, apparently. Okay, ready up. I'm ready to eat people.
I'm afraid.
Hello. I'm going to eat you. I'm going to eat all of you. Is it weird that I'm smiling this way?
Kinda.
I'm a hammerhead shark. Sharkity shark. I'm a hammerhead shark. Sharkity shark. I'm gonna bite you. Bite you. Rash. Yum, 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 yum. Brutal enough for you?
No.
Not brutal enough. Okay.
You can't even compete with the spawn of Jaws.
I can't?
No.
Well, why not? Oh, he was already dead. Do I have any skills that I can get? No, I don't have any evolution points. Dang it, Dawn. Okay, we're gonna work together. We're gonna work together like these guys are.
Are you?
I'm killing people. Getting one at a time, though. Got 10 evolution points. We have 25, they have 26 people left. Who's gonna win? Shark or man? Man or shark? Half man, half shark. The man, shark, bear. Wow, they just left him behind. Like, we don't care about you. Keep going. There is nowhere to run from the hammerhead. Double kill. Rampage. I'm a good shark.
Meh.
Oh, I guess I got Minesweeper. Maybe.
I'd upgrade level 2.
I'm not. I want Blood Feast. Give me some regeneration while I beat the crap out of people. Love me some regeneration. Oh man. Just barely got me. I still got 20. I can get that. I haven't even used E yet.
What's E?
It's the special that I just upgraded.
Interesting.
I'm gonna use it once I get next to one of them. guy. Why are you using that weak shark? Stop it. Computer, you're being stupid. You should be Jaws. You should be the great white shark.
Then why are you being a hammerhead?
Because Hammerhead is my favorite, okay? Hey, never go out alone. Isn't that like the #1 thing in movies? Never go out alone.
Yeah, but you know what?
This ain't a movie?
No, in movies they say that a lot, but people still go out alone.
That is very true.
Especially in this old movie called Jack the Reaper.
Never heard of it. Hangry. I'm so hangry. Hungry and angry. Angry. New word invented by Monaco. I don't know. I don't really know who made this game. I didn't check. Did you check?
No.
But it is on Steam. I got 2 of them.
You got offed by one of our old classmates,
Who?
Brian Black.
Wow. He's a bot. Dude, you take out the other one. Okay, we got it. We got it. We got it. Good. Man, this just looks nasty, doesn't it? Ammo modifiers are less effective. Oh, I'm making a very dangerous shark right now. You don't want to. Tasty. I wonder what human flesh actually tastes like.
And now I am scared.
I mean, have you never in your life thought of that?
Nope.
Thank you for coming into my jaws. I killed 6 there. Okay, 70 points.
Minute and a half.
Oh, we have almost won anyway. We have 8, they have 3. They have 2. Give me those, I guess. Yeah, sure, I'll get almost everything for the shark before I win. I am an awesome shark. I was born to be a shark. And I will die a shark. Triple kill.
I think sharks won.
Yep, there's only 2 more of them and several of us. Yeah, sure, Headstrong. Let's go. Because that's a good song.
Really?
Yeah, Headstrong. But trapped?
I know.
Do you really?
I really didn't like it that much, though.
Really? Yum yum. Alright, we will see you guys on